Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to take a look at your battle pass. So let's get started. Our second tab will say battle pass, and from here we're going to see battle pass rewards. Alright, so one of the first questions I've got is to unlock certain things, you need some base rewards. Well, your base rewards is just basically everything within here. So for example, right now, in order to get to page 1, 2, 3, and 4 without a problem, just keep unlocking everything from it. So in order to unlock pages, just keep getting everything from within every single page. And you're gonna want that, especially with bonus rewards. You won't have any problems claiming those as long as you did this. You claimed everything. So anyways, we did page 1, we did page 2 already. We're gonna move on to page 3. And in page 3 you might see this skin, for example, which is fully locked. Well, in order to unlock this, our base rewards would be to just claim all these other guys around it. So everything else that's not locked, you can go on and claim it, and then this will become unlocked. Now, in order to unlock page 4, for example, you did have to actually claim quite a few rewards before even having that page available. So again, what I suggest doing is just claim the entire thing. So right now what we can do is just claim the entire page. I can just hold Y, for example, and I'm going to see the entire page, which does include this. Plus, before I go on, I just want to show you that we are claiming this right here. We are claiming this guy, so that style, plus this and everything else you see within here. Anyways, just press claim all again, and then we can just hold on to A to claim every single one, which is the best way to do this. And we can go on and equip. Can equip that, equip this, equip this, get this, get that. Oh, more V-Bucks, nothing against that. We can definitely equip that. We can definitely equip this style. And here we go, put this back bling. Get that on the place. And of course, there we go. And finally, the skin that you guys have been waiting for, we can also equip that as well. Anyways, you didn't have to equip everything. You could have just gone next. But if you equipped it, then you could see the skin right now as me wearing it. And I could just save it if I wanted to do that. Anyways, let's just go back to Battle Pass. And we're going to move on to page number 4. So since we did all page 3, now we are free to go into number 4. Same thing, to unlock this skin, we do have to just go on and get a lot of the stuff from here. So once we claim everything from here, this will become unlocked and then we're good to go. Some people told me that they even have other stuff locked. So it's the same thing. Even if you have this locked, just claim everything else from within the page. And what I'm going to do, same thing, I'm going to claim everything within the page. So we're going to go on and just claim all the rewards from here. We're just going to equip, and go on, more V-Bucks, more V-Bucks. Here we go, we're going to equip, more V-Bucks. Equip this as well. Equip this. Equip that style. Equip that style. Get that style. This style as well. And finally, we get to claim or equip this skin. Same thing. It's going to be in your locker even if you don't equip it. So again, we just got everything from page 4. We can just confirm that because right now I have this equipped. And if I wanted to change anything, I can just go to my locker at any time and change it up. Anyways, back here I should see this skin, which it kind of lagged out for a second there, so that's why I didn't see it right away. But there it is. Anyways, let's just go back to Battle Pass. And we're going to go Battle Pass rewards. We're going to see page number 5. Now, before I keep going, in order to unlock these pages, yes, you need battle stars. How do you get battle stars? Well, you need to level up. As you guys can see, I'm about to claim everything in page 5. So I just want to show you my level. My level is 50 at this point for page 5. So level 50, you should have enough battle stars. I have 56 battle stars. And to claim this entire page, it only takes 52 battle stars. Again, we have this skin, which is the only one that's locked in here, which means I have to claim everything within here in order to get that. So that's everything within here. Anyways, let's just go on and claim everything within the page. So we're going to go on and claim everything. And that way, we can just get everything without any problems. And again, as long as you guys keep claiming everything like I am doing, you're not going to have to wait or have any problems once you get into bonus rewards, because you are claiming all your base rewards. But anyways, let's just move on and equipped again. We're just going to go to next, equipped, Equipped, obviously. Once again, we're gonna equip. Now this is awesome emote, also equipped. And finally, we got unlocked this skin, equipped and equipped. Again, we could have just gone claim. Right now, I only have 4 battle stars left, so I need to keep leveling up. Right now, I can move on to page number 6, but I can't really claim anything just yet because I don't have enough battle stars. And I'm not even gonna claim anything, although I could. With 4 battle stars, I could just claim this wrap, for example. However, no, I always wait to claim just everything within the page, so I am kind of patient that way. But right now we are all done. We can just go back and take a look at the skin that we just got. And as far as this video goes, we're all done. However, before I end this, I also get the question, how do you level up so fast? Well, imposters is one of the ways. XP glitches used to be one of the other ways to do that. And right now what I'm taking a look at is Save the World. So XP glitches, they've been patching up XP glitches really fast, so we can't really count on those to level up anymore. So Save the World is an option, and that's what I'm looking into, so we can level up faster. Obviously, if you do your quests within Fortnite, so just playing squads, you should be okay too. So what I'm talking about, the quests are these, so your daily or your seasonal, which they give you 40k, and that's what I usually go for. However, once you run out of those, that's why I'm actually looking into leveling up using Save the World, because the missions there do give you about 30k. So in Save the World, getting 30,000 XP is pretty good because that will get you closer to leveling up every single time. So that's something we're trying out, but of course Save the World is paid for, so that's just a quick heads up. And now we are officially done with this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.